All right, when you're doing your pivots, you want to make sure your feet are soft planted against the canvas. You want to be able to rock back and forth. Once you feel the pressure coming, you can make the move. Use the weight and let it shift around. Your body weight will help transfer you to the next spot. 25 degrees is your focus. Nice and explosive. Tiers 1 through 4. Allow that weight. Bend those knees. Allow those hips to set and create the pivot. Every time you make that move, be explosive, assertive. That's how you execute the pivot. Learn more in the School of Boxing.